G'day viewers, well this little Chinese inverter's actually got pretty good quality componentry in there. Got a Nippon Chemicon capacitors, a little brown ones, and these 3 Nichicons, all Japanese, 105 degrees Celsius rated. I want to see if there's a way you can hack this thing just so it turns on and runs as a normal inverter. It can run here in Australia on the low frequency because I've got the transformer to step it down, then step it back up and feed into the grid here. It will work here with a transformer, both compatible hertzes. But I mainly got it for the purpose of see if I can make it run like a normal inverter, because I want the 60 Hz frequency mainly to run certain appliances. That's why I wanted to change that. But it's overall pretty good quality little build. Good quality components for a Chinese inverter. They're quite popular actually. There's a couple of videos on YouTube about these. Overall I'm pretty impressed with how it's built. It's good quality like the mesh tray ones. All pure sine wave stuff. I'm also in the process of looking into getting a nice big deep cycle battery. The maximum solar panels I can run on this, and same with that one, is 4 of those in parallel. That would be 30 amp maximum that thing can handle from the solar array, which is good. That's plenty of charging power for a big battery. I'm looking at maybe 200 amp hour range, 12 volt 200 amp hour AGM or something. I'm going to try and find a battery that's designed for solar though, like that can charge quickly. Probably going to be expensive, I know. I want to save up the cash. And I'm going to hook the 1500 watt up here and run a thing set up in the shed. Just have a permanent off-grid setup in the shed. I kept this for smaller stuff. I'm on the hunt for some more solar panels still. I rang up my salvage yard. The guy there has some, but he's keeping them for himself, which is fair enough. But if he gets any more, I'm definitely going to have be in luck. Because I really want to hook 4 of these up. Those 2 plus another 2, as long as they're all the same. And that'd be my maximum usage I can get from those inverters. Plus a 200 amp hour battery, be perfect. Nice big deep cycle. I also want to get a this Muppet here. Will support a household solar panel too. Yeah, I can put up to 150 volt from a solar array in that. Maximum charging current of 10 amps this model, but one of those solar panels is 38 volts at 8.6 amps, so one of those would be perfect for this. That would do those easy. I can get 2 days out of this on this particular solar setup, these cheap automotive grade solar panels. I can only get the batteries over 14 volts for 2 days. After that, the battery just can't go over 13 volts. These solar panels can't cope with the losses between here and here. I'm getting 14.6 in there from the panels themselves, but I'm only getting 13.8 because there's a bit of losses involved when charging the batteries, which these panels can't handle. They're too lower powered. There are only 800 milliamps going in there, which is not much for that setup. They're doing a good job. I got this set to run for 6 hours at night, which is doing pretty good, but my losses of the solar panel is not keeping up. So they're going to be replaced with one household grade solar panel. And then if we make that system more permanent, because I want to hook the light up from out of there in the toilet area near my laundry. And then it'll be on for 6 hours at night, and I just set it up and forget about it. One of those solar panels, the batteries will last for ages. I've got that switchboard cabinet in there. I might even use that one there to put the batteries and my solar controller and everything in. And I can store it out in the weather, out of the way, on the side of the house. That'd be perfect in there. As I said, I'm probably going to do a similar thing with this one. Put it in a cabinet, set it up in here just to keep the dust out of it. Have like some sort of venting so I can breathe and not get dust in it. This would be good for a portable in-vehicle one, I reckon. Connect some jumper leads or good battery cables to it, like car automotive amplifier cables. Pretty popular size, they can get it auto bar. That gauge will do. Just hook it up, leave it in the car. Have a little separate connection to the ground for earth, to the chassis, and another mains earth cable or the stake. Stick it in the ground and go camping, and you've got an actual good source of power there. Then chuck a roof rack on the car and one of those household solar panels. Park your car in the sun and you're laughing. I reckon I could fit a big 200 amp hour battery there. Not ideal because I want the space, but I put it on the ground under there. Make up a little shelf and something to sit it on. I want to get a specific solar battery though. A solar battery will charge best and get the most efficiency out of a system like this. You get the most out of your sunlight hours then. A normal deep cycle would be fine though for me. These panels are getting plenty of sun here, and especially if I have the 4 to make up the full rating of the system, I'll be laughing. So even golf cart antennium batteries, which are using scissor lifts and other small mobile equipment, those types of batteries will be fine on this actually. 6 volts each to set them up. Normally they're set up at 24 volts, but you can just power load a 2 for 12 volt and power load them up to get about, I don't know, 150 amp hour. I probably should talk to my local NZ forklift guys. I wonder if they got ones. I know they went through a few, but they were absolutely shagged. They're probably better off buying them new for what I want them for. But my salvage yard, they did get the odd battery like that, but they're just too far used. It's not worth it. I gotta look at new stuff, I reckon. Now I didn't do it on camera, but with this inverter and my battery set up on the panels, I ran this welder. And then I better weld that long on 2 soup cans. Bad through, obviously. I didn't touch the setting there, but I just wanted to see what would happen. And it got about 10 seconds and the inverter turned off. To be expected, but I just wanted to see what it was capable of. I was pretty impressed. Anyway, long-term project, my off-grid setup. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.